Sprinkler system repairs can be a big hassle. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about some ways to simplify this chore right after this. What's the first step of any building or repair project? I always make sure I have the tools and materials I need, starting with the Quikrete mobile app. With easy one-touch access, you can watch project video instructions, quickly pull up a material shopping list, and make sure you have what you need, or use the app to figure out how much you need and find out where to buy it. You can even share your finished project via the Quick Share function. It's the tool you can use from start to finish. Download the Quikrete mobile app on the App Store or Google Play today. At some point, all sprinkler systems need repair. The cause could be a number of reasons, whether you break a pipe while planting petunias or run over a sprinkler head with your mower. Either way, you'll likely be working in a hole in the ground, which in most cases is full of water from the leak that started it all. Instead of waiting for the water to evaporate, try using a wet-dry shop vac to suck out the water so you can get right to work. If the broken component has let dirt into the plumbing, you'll need to get that out so that it doesn't clog up the sprinkler heads. Now you can do that by taping a small tube or straw to the end of the vacuum hose and covering the rest of the opening with tape. This tiny suction device will get out the dirt so you can finish the repair. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.